Ooh, be careful. I'm gonna mash this up. I'm gonna mash this up and put it back in the pot. Still tough. Should have cut it smaller. It's time for everything to be in the pot. Chicken foot is cooked. Alright, better idea is to use this knife to chop it up. I can get this thing done faster. Does it. Right back in the pot. Messy cook today, that's for sure. Alright, let you finish cooking some more. And then we can add the dumplings and the everything and the everything. Wait, there's more pumpkin. Oh, this is gonna be a pumpkin sweet soup today. And I'm doing a messy cook today, that is for sure. Sure. ITM's going last because it cooks fast. Messy cook of the year, that's for sure. Alright, go back in the pot. Alright. See, all these things got to be added. Uh-oh, time for this chicken to go in. Good. Leave it to cook some more.